Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by turning the compressor off and bleeding the tank until the gauge reads 0. This prevents a dangerous launch of air. Once done, wear gloves and eye protection and relieve pressure from the hose by pulling the coupler. Next, examine the connection to identify whether it is a quick connect, NPT thread, or barb. This determines your replacement parts. Then grab the matching replacement fitting and a wrench sized to the nut so you can begin the removal immediately. You now remove the old fitting. Secure the hose with one tool while using a second wrench on the fitting to prevent twisting the hose. If the hose end is frayed, cut it square and deburr so the new barb seats cleanly. For barb fittings, slide the ferrule and clamp in place before inserting. For threaded NPT fittings, wrap 3 to 4 turns of PTFE tape clockwise around the male threads so seals tighten with the thread during installation. Make sure fittings match hose size and thread type. You install the new fitting by threading or pushing it into the hose, tightening until snug. Finish with a quarter-turn wrench to avoid crushing fittings. Once assembled, slowly repressurize the system and spray soapy water on the joints to spot bubbles indicating leaks. If you find a leak, depressurize, then retape the threads, red-eye-tin the clamp, or cut and reseat the ferrule. Those steps fix most failures. Finally, confirm no leaks under normal operating pressure before regular use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.